Hello everybody, welcome back to the Tech Wizard channel. This is Nate here today, and in this video I have a very exciting video for you guys. In this video we're going to be building my $550 gaming PC, and I'm not going to go over the benchmarks or the specs right now, but you can see the parts right in front of you. And this is just a time-lapse video, but I will be doing a video on benchmarks in the future, and also a tutorial on how to actually build your own PC if you don't know how. But other than that, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and go down below and subscribe for more content just like this to support the channel. And other than that, let's go ahead and get started with the video.
But if you close your eyes,